Welcome to the future of cyber warfare. In this video, we will explore the evolving threat landscape and technological innovations that are shaping the future of cyber warfare, and look back at past examples of cyber warfare to understand its evolution. In recent years, cyber attacks have been more sophisticated, more frequent, and more damaging, from nation state attacks targeting critical infrastructure to ransomware attack against business and threats of cyber warfare in more real than ever before. One of the earliest examples of cyber warfare was a Stuxnet attack on Iran's nuclear facilities in 2010. The sophisticated bomb believed to have been developed by the US and Israel infiltrated and damaged a centrifuge used in the Iran nuclear program. More recently, Russia has been accused of carrying out cyber attacks against Ukraine, Georgia, and US. These attacks have targeted a range of systems, including power grids, financial systems, and political campaigns. WannaCry attack. WannaCry attack is one of the most famous ransomware that is still known in 2023, and it is considered as the biggest threat because most of the ransomware families that are out there in the market or in the internet are basically far more similar to the WannaCry. The WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 infected more than 200,000 computers in 150 countries, causing widespread destruction and financial losses. The attack highlighted the vulnerability of organizations and governments to cyber attacks. WannaCry basically took the control over the zero-day attacks exploits that are basically found in most of the softwares back then in 2017. One emerging threat in the world of cyber warfare is the rise of AI-powered malware. These sophisticated attacks uses machine learning algorithms to adapt and evolve, making them even more difficult to detect and defend against. So basically, AI-powered malware automatically makes malware according to the behavior of the computer system. It uses machine learning algorithm to bypass different kinds of protection that are basically in the computer system. Another trend in cyber warfare is the use of drones and other unmanned systems for cyber attacks. These systems can be used to conduct reconnaissance, jam communications, or even physically damage critical infrastructure. Basically, they are used by militaries and other terrorist organizations to block communication between different countries and to spy over other countries. This is why the drones are also considered as cyber warfare. State-sponsored attacks are basically carried out by different state actors, like NSA recently carried out the Pegasus spyware attack. Then we get the cybersecurity expert who defend against threats. Cybersecurity expert manages to take control over the threats and these cybersecurity attacks. Despite these challenges, there are technological innovations that are helping to defend against cyber threats. From advanced threat detection software to AI-powered cybersecurity tools, there are a variety of solutions available to business and governments. As we look to the future, it's clear that the world of cyber warfare will continue to evolve and change. It will be up to governments, business, and individuals to stay ahead of the latest threats and take proactive measures to protect against cyber attacks. Thanks for watching the cyber warfare. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for videos on cybersecurity and technology. And I'll see you in the next one.